Hello dear students, how are you? I hope you all are good. Okay, as you know, tenses were going on in our class. So today we are going to do next tense, that is simple past. Okay, we are going to do, when we use this simple past, going to do structure of this simple past. Okay, so let's do. So firstly, what do you mean by simple past and what, when we use it? Simple past, it used to refer the action that has completed in past. Okay, it used to refer about the action that has completed in the past, जो पास्ट में हो चुका है. अदरवाइज हमारी कोई पास्ट हैबिट है. पास्ट हैबिट मीन्स जो हमारी हैबिट पहले थी बट नाउ वी डोंट हैव दिस हैबिट. एनी पास्ट फैक्ट, एनी पास्ट कोई इवेंट था पास्ट में, तो उन सब के लिए क्या हम यूज़ करते हैं? सिंपल पास्ट. नाउ स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ द सिंपल पास्ट. इन अफर्मेटिव वी यूज सेंटेंस सब्जेक्ट प्लस सेकेंड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट. ओके, फुल स्टॉप. In negative we use subject plus did not plus first form of the verb and other words full stop. In interrogative firstly we use did. Okay, did plus subject first form of verb and object, last we put question mark. Okay, now let's do with the example. Suppose I have written I spoke. Okay, I spoke English. That is simple past tense. This is subject and its second form of the verb. Speak. First form of spoke is speak. Speak, spoke, spoken. I spoke English. Now negative. How can we write its negative? I did not speak English. Okay, I did not speak English. But remember, in negative we are using did now. So with first you use only first form of the verb. Don't use second form. Okay. Now interrogative. Did I interrogative, did I speak English? Question mark. Okay, did can be placed before I, before subject. Right, more example. Write one more example. Write 15 example. He made coffee for us. He made coffee for us. The answer in negative क्या आएगा? That is affirmative. ठीक है, subject, second form of the verb and object. These both are object, direct and indirect object. Next, in negative we use he did not made, first form of made, me. Okay, in interrogative what we write? We write did he make coffee for, did he make coffee for us? Question mark. Okay, so like this you can do simple past also. Okay, moreover you can find more examples in your compacta and your BBCs. Okay, try to do it yourself. After that you'll match the answers from the answer key that I'll send. Okay.